Why do we use AC power instead of DC for homes? Welcome to this presentation on why we use AC power instead of DC in our homes. In the next few minutes, we'll explore the advantages of alternating current and understand why it became the global standard. Introduction. Electricity can be supplied as either direct current, or DC, and alternating current, or AC. While both have their uses, AC became the preferred choice for household power because it is more practical, efficient, and safer to distribute. Easier transmission over long distances. One of the biggest advantages of AC is that its voltage can be easily increased or decreased using transformers. High voltage transmission reduces current, which means less energy is lost as heat. This makes AC the most efficient way to carry electricity over long distances from power plants to homes. Simpler and cost-effective infrastructure. AC power systems are more economical to build and maintain. Transformers allow flexible voltage regulation, while DC requires complex and expensive equipment for the same task. This makes AC infrastructure simpler and more cost-effective. Safety and compatibility. AC can be delivered at safe household voltages, such as 110 volts or 230 volts, depending on the region. Most of our household appliances are designed to run on AC power, and circuit protection is easier with AC, reducing the risks of overheating or electrical hazards. Historical and practical reasons. During the late 19th century, the so-called War of Currents took place. Thomas Edison promoted DC, while Nikola Tesla and George Westinghouse advocated AC. Thanks to its transmission advantages, AC won the battle, and ever since, global infrastructure has been built around AC systems. Conclusion. In conclusion, AC is used in homes because it is efficient, economical, and compatible with both infrastructure and appliances. Its ability to be transmitted over long distances safely and reliably has made it the standard choice for households worldwide.